BFT ICARO Smart AC A2000 Control Board. Complete wiring explanation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I'll explain the BFT ICARO Smart AC A2000 Control Board step by step. Let's get started. Main power supply terminals. Terminal L is live or phase incoming main power supply. Terminal N is neutral incoming from mains. Terminal G and D is ground incoming wire from earth. This is a single-phase power supply connection, 220 or 230 volt, 50 or 60 Hz with earth cable. Now don't connect when finished all the wiring and connections. Double-check everything, then connect. Motor connection. Terminal 10, 11 and 12. This is pre-factory connected. Let's begin with the motor terminals. Terminal 10 is input of start plus capacitor wire, motor wire. Terminal 11 is input common of motor wire. Terminal 12 is input of start plus capacitor wire, motor wire. Flashing light connection. Next is the flashing warning light. Terminals 20 and 21. Terminal 20 is aux output. Terminal 21 is aux common. Default setting flashing light this terminals. These power contact is output of 230 volt AC. From the programming menu, these terminals can be configured as flashing lamp. Photocell connection. Single pair of photocell. Connect the photocell power supply from control board. Power supply on photocell transmitter receiver. The board provides 24 volt AC accessory power supply. Connect terminal 50 is 24 volt negative. Connect terminal 51 is 24 volt positive. Power supply on photocell transmitter receiver. This is a standard power supply of photocell connection. Terminal 52 is also 24 volt safe power. If using tested safety devices, Terminal 52 provides the switched 24 volt safety output. Connect safety closing photocell. Now let's connect the safety input. Connect terminal 70 is a safety common wire on receiver sensor. Connect terminal 72 is safety on receiver's sensor. Safe 1 is normally used for the closing photocell. The board monitors this safety input continuously. If someone interrupts the beam while the gate is closing, the controller immediately stops and reverses the gate according to the programmed safety logic. Command connections. Now let's look at the command terminals. This is a 3 buttons command switch. Connect terminal 60 is command, common terminal, and connect terminal 61 is IC1. By default function is start terminal. Every press performs open, stop, and close, depending on the gate position. Connect terminal 60 common terminal and connect terminal 62 IC2 is a pedestrian opening programmable input. Connect terminal 70 is common terminal and connect terminal 71 is stop terminal. Connect an NC emergency stop button between terminals 70 and 71. If no stop button is installed, leave the factory jumper in place. Removing the jumper without a stop device will prevent the gate from operating.
Antenna connection. Antenna used for better remote range. Connect terminal Y to connect the antenna signal wire. Terminal hash, connect the antenna shield. Use a 433 MHz RG58 coaxial antenna cable for maximum reception. Keep the antenna away from large metal objects to avoid signal interference. Let's explain the remaining terminals. Terminal 63 is common terminal. Terminal 64 is IC3 terminal, normally used as open command, but fully programmable. Terminal 65 is IC4 terminal, normally configured as close command and can also be reprogrammed. Terminal 26 and 27. Auxiliary output. A programmable relay output. Functions include radio channel, courtesy light, flashing light, gate open indication, alarm, maintenance signal, magnetic lock, solenoid lock. Configure the desired function through the programming menu. Limit switch terminals. If your motor uses mechanical limit switches, connect them here. But this control here JP32 magnetic limit switch connector. Only used on magnetic limit switch versions. Use the dedicated magnetic connector instead. And do not install jumpers on these terminals. Safe inputs. Safe 1 is terminal 72 is normally used for opening safety photocells. Fault 1 is terminal 73 is safety device test. Safe 2 is terminal 74 is closing safety photocells. Fault 2 is terminal 75 is safety test. Safe 3 is terminal 77 is additional configurable safety device. Fault 3 is terminal 78 is safety monitoring terminal. Before connecting mains power. Turn off the electrical supply. Double-check all wiring. Verify motor direction. Confirm all safety devices are operating correctly before commissioning the gate. That completes the complete wiring explanation of the BFT. ICARO Smart AC A2000 control board. In the next video, we'll cover parameter programming, automatic learning, and complete setup of this controller. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more professional automatic gate tutorials.